What's up, my YT homies? This is your girl Alethea, and I'm back with another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how I do my Gel X nails. So if you're interested, then please keep on watching. If you're new here, then go ahead and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And if you're an oldie but goodie, you guys know I already appreciate you all so much. So this is the system that I'm using, and I am using the Apres Gel X nail system. Now, there are a lot of dupes out there, and that's actually what I started with. I started with the dupe, and then I decided to get the Apres system itself, and I am really glad I did. So right then, before this, I was showing you two different nails. I had the medium Coffin and the short Coffin, and I was trying to decide which one I wanted to use. And this time I chose the short Coffin. Now, to be quite honest, since I've been doing my own nails, I've been wearing my nails a little bit longer sometimes. And so when I did this set, I was underwhelmed because I really wanted the longer nails, like medium, not long, but like medium. So they have the short and then they have the medium. And I find that the medium really fits my nails really good. So here, all I'm doing is taking the shine away from my nails. I'm dehydrating my nails to take away the oils or whatever. I've already done my cuticle care. I've taken away the shiny layer with my drill bit, what have you. And so here I'm just putting the dehydrator on, and then I'm going to prime. Now, what you'll see sometimes in some videos is people priming their nails. I'm sorry, taking the nail itself and etching it out with their drill bit. I prefer to prime mine. This basically does the same thing, and I just prefer, and I put the primer inside each nail, and then I go and I put the primer on my actual nails. Now, after I prime each nail, I go in and I put a base coat on all of my nails, and this is just an added layer of protection to my nails. I have thin nails. I've always had thin nails. The thin nails are not from the Gel X or any other type of nails. My nails have just been thin. I have a flat nail bed and I have thin nails, and my nails are my bed is quite small for my hands. Well, my hands are small. They're just, my fingers are a little chubby. But anyway, my nails are small. And, you know, these nails right here, I have the regular ones that have a higher apex. They do have the sculpted nails. The sculpted nails definitely would not work for me because of me having a flat nail bed. So when I do go and I put the Gel X, can't think of what the glue, the Gel X glue, I can't think of what it's called. But when I put that in there, it is able to fill the space in from my flat nail bed to fill up until the apex. So you have to kind of gauge this part and see how much to put in there, and then I just put the nail on at kind of like a 45-degree angle and flatten it down until the glue has reached to the top of my nails, making sure there are no air bubbles in there. Right then, when I pointed at my nail, I was just trying to show you guys that one was crooked. Sometimes you'll have a nail that's crooked, and I did end up having two crooked nails this time, but I just filed them to get the crookedness out of the nails. Now, since I've been doing my nails, I typically like to do my nails every 2 weeks, sometimes every 3 weeks. I think once I did go 4 weeks before doing my nails. But I really do enjoy doing my nails. And even before I started doing the Gel X, I had started doing my own feet, and then I slowly transitioned into doing my nails, and I love it. Once I put all the nails on, then I go ahead and I just kind of shape. I get the little nub off of them that's on the nail, and then shape just a little bit. And one thing that I didn't tell you guys, and you'll see it, or you probably have already seen it when I did the base coat, is I do my 4 fingers and then I do my thumb last, because if you do all the fingers and you do the thumb at the same time and it has to cure at the same time as your other nails, then the glue or the polish, whatever you're using, may run on the side of your thumb because the thumb is not going to be held straight up, if you get what I mean. So like I said, I just go in to fine tune the shape or what have you, because they're already shaped, and that's one of the best things about using these type of nails, or even if you do use the dupe. And like I said, I did start off with a dupe nail care system that I got off Amazon, and I bought two, so I actually have one that I'll probably do a giveaway for. And the saying goes, you get what you pay for. Those dupe systems on Amazon, they're okay, but once I actually bought the Apres system, I noticed the difference in the nail quality right away. Now here I am. When you're doing your nails, you will get a little glue along the sides, as well as you want to make sure you file the nail to kind of melt it into your nail, so it won't look like it is a full cover nail tip. And I always use a safety drill bit. Whenever you're working on yourself, you want to use a safety drill bit. This one right here that I'm using is not my favorite. I had to get another one of my favorite because I don't know what I did with the original one, but I got another one and I love it. So anyway, I just go around each nail getting any glue that did seep out from under the nail, because sometimes some glue does seep out from under the nails. And I just go and I fix all that. Once I've done that to all the nails, then I go in and I buff them. And really and truly, this is a step that I don't have to do. I could either buff them or I could just use the primer to polish over them. So I use either one. And now I'm putting on a base coat. You really don't have to do a base coat, but I did the base coat to thin out the color of the nude that I'm putting on my nails. And one of the things that I have to do, and I'm getting better with polishing. I've never been a person to really polish really good. So I'm getting better at not flooding my cuticles with polish. So you'll see me clean up around my nails, and all I'm using to clean up around my nails is some alcohol. And once I go to where I do the design, then I'll switch and use acetone. But I just kind of clean around them because, like I said, I'm getting better at polishing, but just in case I flood my cuticles, I want to make sure I get it off, because when the cuticles are flooded, with the polish, it doesn't look good. Because if you get too much around there, once you cure it, it's going to dry and you're going to see it. And for me, I am a person that is very visual, and I'll look at it and keep looking at it and keep looking at it and want to take my nails off just because of that. So this is the base. It's like a milky type of color, caramel type of color. I got it off Amazon. I'll try to remember to link it in the description box. I really do like it. I just think for my complexion though, I do like it to be just a little bit lighter, which is, like I said, why I put the base coat on with it. Now, I will tell you guys, this Coffin short length, I do like it. I think it looks really good on my nails. I think my nails were really pretty, and I got a lot of compliments, but I'm just liking the longer ones, and I'm actually liking the stilettos.
Chance and come roll the dice. Hope you're landing on me tonight. Might as well let our worlds collide. Can't get enough. You can be stuck.
Now I'm just going to go in and do me a French tip, and I love these Model 1s color cubes. I really think they are good, and they do come in handy when I do polish, because these actually help me keep from flooding my cuticle. But this time I was just painting my tip. I love a French tip. I love to just paint the tip of my nails. And I just use this little blue color. I know a lot of people that are doing that just do the French tip. They do the little smile line technique. I haven't tried that yet. I don't know how to do it. I am going to try it as I do my nails more often. And if you guys want to see more nail videos with me doing my nails, please do let me know in the description box below if you would like to see more of me doing my nails. I even actually posted on a short the nail design that I have on my nails currently. So once I polish each tip, then I'm going to go in and I'm going to put like a little silver line after I clean it up, because I'm going to take the same brush that I clean up the edges with, and I'm going to clean up and make my smile line. And you guys see how that nude looks by itself? That nude would just be something so pretty just to put on my hands by itself, especially if you're going to an event and you don't want your nails to be like taking over the show with your outfit. A nude color like that would just hit it off. It would just set it off. I'm going to go ahead and let you guys finish watching the rest of the video. Like I said, if you have not subscribed, please do subscribe. And those of you that have been here, I do appreciate you all. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share this video across all your social media sites. Guys, please help me get to 10,000. I'm moving up. I've gotten more subscribers, but I would love to hit 10,000 by June. So please do go ahead and share and help your girl build up this channel. Thank you guys so much. And until the next time, in between time, you ladies and gentlemen, be safe, and I will do what? You guessed it. Catch you on the flip side. Bye.
Don't worry about me, 'cause I'm a giver. Daddy, I'll do anything so I can make you mine. Can't get you out my sight. Take me to paradise. My name, your favorite line. Calling me on the flame. Don't ever have to try. Come, let me be your guy. And if you're down to ride, follow me on the way. Can't get enough. You get me stuck. Set the mood, I make you feel right. Take a chance and come roll the dice. Hope you're landing on me tonight. Might as well let our hearts collide. Set the mood, I make you feel right. Take a chance and come roll the dice. Hope you're landing on me tonight.
Okay, I had to come right back in one more time and let you guys know I'm showing you guys this cuticle oil, but this cuticle oil is not one I would recommend. I saw someone use it on Amazon and I said, let me get it, and it is not the best, but you still need something on your cuticles because you've done all that work to your nails and you want them to look good.
Well, let our worlds collide. Can't get enough.